Stratasys Ltd. is a manufacturer of 3D printers and 3D production systems for office-based rapid prototyping and direct digital manufacturing solutions. Engineers use Stratasys systems to model complex geometries in a wide range of thermoplastic materials, including ABS, polyphenylsulfone, polycarbonate and ULTEM 9085. Stratasys manufactures in-office prototyping and direct digital manufacturing systems for automotive, aerospace, industrial, recreational, electronic, medical and consumer product OEMs. History: Stratasys was founded in 1989 by S. Scott Crump and his wife Lisa Crump in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. The idea for the technology came to Crump in 1988 when he decided to make a toy frog for his young daughter using a glue gun loaded with a mixture of polyethylene and candle wax. He thought of creating the shape layer by layer and of a way to automate the process. In April 1992, Stratasys sold its first product, the 3D modeler. In October 1994, Stratasys had an initial public offering on Nasdaq. The company sold 1.38 million shares of common stock at $5 per share, netting approximately $5.7 million. In January 1995, Stratasys purchased IBM's rapid prototyping intellectual property and other assets and employed 16 former IBM engineers who had been developing a small 3D printer that relied on an extrusion system very similar to Crump's patented fused deposition modeling technology. In 2003, Stratasys fused deposition modeling was the best-selling rapid prototyping technology. FDM is a process that the company patented, which is used to produce three-dimensional parts directly from 3D CAD files layer by layer for use in design verification, prototyping, development and manufacturing. In 2007, Stratasys supplied 44% of all additive fabrication systems installed worldwide, making it the unit market leader for the sixth consecutive year. In January 2010, Stratasys signed an agreement with HP to manufacture HP-branded 3D printers. In August 2012, the HP manufacturing and distribution agreement was discontinued. In May 2011, Stratasys announced that they had acquired SolidScape, a leader in high-precision 3D printers for lost wax casting applications. In 2012, an unrelated project to produce a working firearm by 3D printing was intended to use a Stratasys printer. Stratasys refused to permit this and withdrew its license for use of the printer, citing that it did not allow its printers to be used for illegal purposes. In 2014, the Israeli fashion designer Noah Raviv featured grid pattern-centered couture garments which were created employing Stratasys 3D printing technology. Some selections from the aforementioned collection were exhibited in 2016 at the exhibition Manus Ex Machina at the Anna Wintour Costume Center at New York City's Metropolitan Museum of Art. Merger with Objet. On April 16, 2012, Stratasys announced that it agreed to merge with privately held Objet Ltd., a leading manufacturer of 3D printers based in Rehovot, Israel, in an all-stock transaction. Stratasys shareholders were expected to own 55% of the combined company, and Objet shareholders would own 45%. The merger was completed on December 3, 2012. The market capitalization of the new company was approximately $3 billion. Acquisition of MakerBot, Solid Concepts and Harvest Technologies. On June 19, 2013, MakerBot Industries Engineers announced that it was purchased by Stratasys for $403 million. On April 2, 2014, Stratasys announced that they had entered into definitive agreements to acquire Solid Concepts and Harvest Technologies, which will be combined with Redeye, its existing digital manufacturing service business, to establish a single additive manufacturing services business unit. The acquisition was finalized on July 15, 2014. 3D car production systems. In 2014, Stratasys prototyped an electric car with fully 3D printed exterior panels, and a few printed exterior panels. Development took 1 year and parts were constructed using a Stratasys Objet 1000. Urbi is the name of the first car in the world car mounted using the technology 3D printing, created in 2010 through the partnership with the Canadian engineering group Core Ecologic. It is a hybrid vehicle with futuristic look.